In this segment, I'm going to show you how to do a French braid. So we're going to start off by taking 3 pieces from the top of the head. And again, you want them equal. And they're actually quite small pieces when you start at the top. Don't take big chunks to start off with right away. So you take 1 from each side of the head and 1 from the top of the head. Okay. Now once you have your 3 pieces, it's very similar to braiding, where you just take 1 piece and fold it over into the middle. But then the piece that you folded over, you're going to go ahead and take a little bit more hair from the side and add it to that piece. And then again, I'm going to fold my outside piece into the middle, and the piece I have left on this side, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit more hair from the side of that side of the head. And again, folding into the middle, grabbing some hair on this side. Fold into the middle, grab a piece. And you want to keep it tight all the time so that the hair doesn't slip out. And you want to take the same even amount of hair on both sides as you're going down the head so that you don't get an uneven French braid. So again, taking hair from the side, folding it into the middle. And yes, you want to keep this nice and tight. If you're having trouble keeping it tight, you can wet the hair and then towel dry it and have it a little damp. It always makes it a little easier to do. And again, you don't want to take too big a chunks on the side, or you'll wind up with a really short French braid and you won't have that nice long length. Now the finer the hair is, the smaller the pieces on the side you want to take. Lauren has nice thick hair, so you can actually take bigger pieces from the side if you want. And when you get to the bottom, you want to make sure that every piece has been grabbed so there's no hair left hanging. Keep it, again, keeping it really tight, especially when you get to the bottom, because you really don't want it hanging loose here. And just goes into just a basic braid at the bottom. As far as you want to braid it. Then you take your hair wrap. You wrap it around as many times as you need to secure the braid. Make sure it's nice and tight. And if you want to just spritz it a bit, this is just water with a little bit of hairspray, just to hold the braid. Spritzing the sides a bit and the top, just to make sure it stays. Great. And there you have your basic French braid. Turn to the front. And if you want to see more of my updos, watch some more of my segments on Expert Village.